Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up Twitch overlays for your stream. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for twitch.tv. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link right over here, as you can see. And all you need to do is go ahead and click on your top right icon and click on Create a Dashboard. Right here on the left hand side, on the third option, there's going to be an option called Alerts. As you can see, it's right over there. And all you need to do is on the right hand side, there's going to be a tab called Your Alerts. All you need to do is click on Create Alert Box. And once you've went ahead and clicked on it, this is where all your alerts are going to be enabled. So for example, as you can see, we have new followers alert. We have subscription alerts, just like that. We have gifted subscription alerts, as you can see. We have bits alerts, just like that. We have combos alerts and a lot more that you can even modify it all just from here. You can go ahead and change general settings, which is going to be the name of it and stuff like that. Layout, where you want it to be, the celebrations, the visuals and sounds. You can go ahead and change even the icons and stuff, and you can also delete variant. That is as simple as that. Once you've created it, all you need to do is go ahead and import it into your streaming software. So on the bottom right hand, there's going to be a thing called browser source URL. Click on copy. Go ahead and copy that, and once you've copied that, go ahead and open your streaming software, whatever you might use. And once you've done that, all you need to do is go ahead and click on plus, click on browser and create new, click on OK. And on the URL, go ahead and paste the URL that you had just copied and click on OK. Once you've done that, as you can see, 800 by 600 box is made, and that's no problem for us because that is the width and height of the alert itself. So all you need to do now is you can simply go ahead and test your alert and stuff like that, and it should be working. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, definitely hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.